All right, here we go. You see my 2024 Model Y. Beforehand, I bought a bunch of accessories to go with it. I bought some floor mats. Okay, this is side bench on side. Okay, that's cool. USB hub. Some seat cleaners since it's white. And screen protector. Oh, the silicone cup holder. All right. Before, after. Got stuff in there already. All right, these are the mats that come inside. Take these out. All right, after. I went with the red ones mainly because that's what they had in stock. They didn't have the black ones. And it was on one of those fire sales on Amazon. But it looked nice, especially with the white contrast to the white. All right, this is how the center console screen looks right now. I'm about to install all the little gadgets that I got. All right, now this is how it looks after I install little gadgets I got. I put a screen protector on, but I cracked the screen protector. I cracked it as I was putting it on, so I have to order another one. Oh well, cost of doing business. All right, it's the next day. I actually got the screen protector overnight, put it in, replaced the broken one that I broke yesterday. I actually bought a one of these mat for the front of the, I guess the dash. Only bought it because I wanted next day shipping as far as 8 o'clock, from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning. And I needed to add something to the order so I can get it. So I just picked this up. So whatever, it looks pretty good. I don't know if with the protective dash, whatever. See how it works out. I'm probably gonna be throwing it away. All right, the last accessory that I have today is the black hubcaps to replace these. However, the gray on light gray actually look pretty good. I might keep these and just hold on to the black ones for, I don't know, for whatever reason. But I think I really like the gray on gray. I really do like it.